Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about something very important in English grammar, tense. Most of the students in our country don't know about tense very well. So don't worry. After these short lessons, you will understand it very easily. So what is tense? Tense simply means the time of an action, when something happens. It tells us whether an action is in the past, present, or future. For example, I eat rice, present tense. I'm doing it now. I ate rice, past tense. I did it before. I will eat rice, future tense. I will do it later. So, tense helps us know when something happens. Without tense, our sentences become confusing. Now, let's see why tense is important. To speak clearly, if you use the wrong tense, people may not understand you. Example, if you say, I go yesterday, it sounds wrong. You should say, I went yesterday. To write correctly, when we write essays, stories, or letters, we need the correct tense to make our writing clear. Now, to communicate confidently. When you know tense well, you can talk about your present, your past life, and your future plans easily. That means you can express yourself better, and that builds your confidence. There are three types of tense: past, present, and future. And each of them has four forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. You don't need to memorize all at once. Start small, learn one tense at a time, and use it in your daily speaking. So, my friends, remember, English is the heart of English grammar. If your tenses are right, your English will be sound, clear, and correct. Thank you for watching. If you learned something today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.